In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a connected board column and mirror columns in Monday.com. Whether you're a new or seasoned user, learning how to effectively leverage these features can really optimize your workflow and enhance collaboration across various projects. To get started, we'll begin by adding a new column. This is done by simply clicking on the plus icon located right next to the last column on your board. When you do this, a menu will appear, allowing you to choose different types of columns. In this case, you'll want to search for and select the Connect column option. It's a versatile tool that allows you to create dynamic links between different boards. After selecting the Connect column, you'll be prompted to choose which boards you intend to connect with. Here, take a moment to carefully check the boxes for all the boards you want to link to. It can be a helpful feature for keeping related projects synchronized. Furthermore, if you wish to set up a two-way connection, meaning changes in one board will automatically reflect in another, make sure to check the Create a Two-Way Connection box. This step ensures seamless integration and synchronization of data across your linked boards. Once you have made your selections, go ahead and click on Connect Boards. After you've established these connections, Monday.com will prompt you again, but this time it's to create what's called a mirror column. Clicking on Create a Mirror Column will set up this feature, allowing you to display data from the connected boards right on your current board. Now, with these columns set up, let's talk about how to utilize them effectively. You'll start by clicking on an empty cell under your newly created Connect column. Here, you can select the specific item or row you want to link to another board. Once you've made a selection, move on to the Mirror column. In this section, you'll choose which columns from the connected board you would like to mirror. Select the appropriate columns and instantly the data will populate with the values you linked to. This is particularly useful if you're managing complex projects with many moving parts and need to keep track of related tasks or objectives across different boards. A great advantage when enabling a two-way connection is that any changes you make on the mirror columns will automatically update on the original columns as well. This ensures consistency and saves valuable time, allowing teams to work more efficiently without needing to manually update multiple boards. And that's all there is to it. By mastering the use of connected board columns and mirror columns in Monday.com, you can significantly improve your project management process and keep your team aligned and informed. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.